As we wrap up the year, I want to take a moment to say thank you to all of our amazing guests, loyal listeners, and everyone who supported us on social media. Your encouragement, shares, and feedback have meant the world to us. Although we just launched the Path We Take podcast on July 21st of this year, we've already reached listeners in over 8 countries, in 85 cities worldwide. That's an incredible milestone, one we couldn't have achieved without your love and support. To close out the year, let's watch one final episode, the Lunch Party Special, where friends and family came to celebrate and show their support. From the bottom of my heart, Herbie and I, we want to say thank you once again. We'll see you for season 2. And trust me, it's only getting better from here. Bonne Annee, the path we take, all things Haiti, positive for every Haitian around the world. Thank you. Bonne Annee.